Okay, guys, what we are going to see today is very easy. It's about interior and exterior angles measured in a regular polygon. Okay, so this is very simple because I told you so this before on high school. So the kind of problems are like this. So find the measure of each interior angle and each exterior angle of a regular 12-cone. A 12-cone is a 12-side polygon. In Spanish is dodecágono, okay, but in English is 12-cone and that kind of name. So we have a formula. We have that the sum of the angles is equal to 180 multiplied by n minus 2. N is the number of sides of the angle of the polygon. Sorry, in this case, n must be 12 because we have a 12 cone. If it's a 12 cone, has 12 sides. So to find the measure of each interior angle, we need to know the sum of all the angles. So we have like x is equal to 180 multiplying n minus 2. Okay, so that in case of n, we need to write the number of the sides. So in this case, it's 12. And this is equal to 180 multiplied by 12 minus 2 is only 10. As you solve this is equal to 1,800. Okay, so this is the sum of all the angles, and as we know that this is a regular polygon, all the inner angles must be the same, must have the same measure. So in this case, the inner angle, the angle is equal to 1800 divided by 12.
Teacher, why is 180 multiplied by 10?
Because this is the formula. Yes, 12 minus 2 is equal to 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Disculpe, ¿por qué es 10 otra vez?
Because you need to solve this. If okay, you only solve this 180 multiply 12 minus 2.
Teacher, and when the polygon is irregular, what do we do?
There's another kind of exercise we're going to make, okay? So don't worry. Okay. So in this case we have this formula is for all the polygons. Doesn't matter if it's regular or irregular. Okay, doesn't matter. But in this case we need to know the measure of the inner angle. Okay, so it's 1800 divided by 12 because we have 12 sides, and this is equal to 150, right? 150 degrees. So this is the measure of the inner angle, the interior angle. So now we need to know the measure of the outside angle of the exterior angle. How do we do that? Well, that's very simple because let's imagine this is an angle and we want this part from here. This also, and remember that we say complementary and supplementary angles. So if we actually know that the inner angle is 150, the exterior angle, this one must be the supplementary. So in this case, exterior angle is equal to how much is the sum of the supplementary angles? It's 180, right? So 180 minus 160 degrees, and that is equal to 30. Okay, so the answer is this. This is the answer for the exterior angle, and this is the answer for the inner angle. Questions?
Actually, no, this seems pretty simple.
Yeah, this is very simple. I told you solve this in high school junior, but if you didn't, don't worry. I saw this when I was on high school. No, yeah, I saw you saw this. Yeah, I don't know. In secondary, you must think this, but I saw this in second grade, the high school junior. Okay, so let's make another kind of problem. Okay, the sum of the interior angle measure of a convex polygon is is 1216. Okay, 1216. So how many sides does it have? Okay, we don't know if the polygon is regular or irregular, but we know the measure. And as I told you, this formula is for all the polygons. Doesn't matter if they are regular or irregular. So we have the same formula. We have that x is equal to 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 2. Okay, and we know that the sum is, so in this case, n is equal to, no, sorry, n. We don't know n, but we know the sum, s. X is equal to 1260 degrees. Okay, so what we can do here is just to replace. Okay, here we have the equation, and we only have to solve this equation. Okay, so we have this is equal to 180 n minus 2. No, it's minus 13. Okay, so we have that, we have, this is equal to 1216 plus
Teacher, and the minus 2?
the minus 2 becomes this 360 because it's minus 2 multiplying by 180, it's equal to 360. Okay,
Okay.
and we are in the other side, so we this take the same one, and this becomes positive. So how much is it? This is equal to and now we have that n is equal to this over 180. How much is it?
9.
9. Okay, so the answer here is 9. The polygon, how many sides does it have? The polygon has 9 sides. That's the answer. 9 sides. Question?
Nope.
No, when the polygon is irregular.
This is when the polygon, yeah, it doesn't matter if the polygon is regular or irregular, you always use
Teacher,
this equation. The only thing that changes is
teacher,
that, yeah, yes,
what does n means?
what,
The number of the sides of the polygon.
I don't get it, sorry. Could you repeat?
He was asking about the what does n means, but
N is the number of the size of the polygon. Because remember here, we don't know the sum of the interior angle measure of a convex polygon is 1260. How many sides does it have? We don't know the size. We know n is the incognite, and we know that the sum is equal to this. Okay, but we don't know the number of sides, but we can use the formula. This formula is for all polygons. Doesn't matter if they are regular or not. When they are regular, means that all the inner angles and the sides have the same measure. When they are not regular, means that they don't have the same measure of the angles, even the same measure of the sides. Because for example, this is a polygon, right? But it's not regular. Why is not regular? Oh, okay, it's not regular. This is not regular because the measure of these angles are not the same. These have different measures. And it's obviously because the figure is very abstract, it's not regular. Also the measure of the size is not the same. Okay, what else? Another problem. Let's do another problem. Okay, let's go to the I thought you copy this formula, right? Because you will use it during all the activities in this weekend. Did you copy this formula, guys?
yes.
Yep.
Okay, now you have it on your notebook. Okay, so let's work on the